to welcome next 2026 CFMoto 1000 arrives as one of the most anticipated adventure touring motorcycles of the year, taking everything the Mount series has built so far and pushing it into a new level of refinement, technology, and long-range capability. In this video, we're diving deep into what makes the new 1000 Mount a real contender in the middle to large adverb segment, how it performs on the road and off it, what upgrades CFMoto has introduced, and whether the spike is worth your money in 2026. Let's begin with the heart of the machine. The 2026 1000 Mount uses a 999cc parallel twin engine refined from CFMoto's collaboration with KTM-derived architecture, delivering around 118 horsepower and roughly 100 Nm of torque. That tuning gives the bike a strong mid-range, smooth roll-on power, and a surprisingly responsive top end. One of the immediate improvements over the previous generation is reduced vibration at higher RPMs, thanks to improved counterbalancing and updated engine mounts. Whether you're cruising on the highway at 120 km/h or blasting through mountain roads, the engine feels more planted, predictable, and refined than ever. CFMoto has also worked on improving throttle mapping. You now get multiple ride modes: touring, sport, off-road, and a customizable user mode. Each one noticeably changes throttle sensitivity and traction control behavior. In sport mode, the bike feels aggressive and eager to jump forward. In touring, the power delivery smooths out, perfect for maintaining efficiency and comfort on long hauls. Off-road mode allows more wheel slip and gives you the freedom to navigate challenging terrain without the electronics cutting in too early. And of course, with the user mode, riders who like fun tuning can set up the bike exactly how they want. Speaking of electronics, the 2026 1000 Mount comes loaded with features. A new 7-inch TFT dash with updated UI offers crisp graphics, customizable layouts, and enhanced smartphone integration. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, with the ability to load navigation apps directly onto the display without lag. The bike also includes cornering ABS, lean-sensitive traction control, cruise control, hill start assist, and tire pressure monitoring. For a bike at this price point, the electronics package genuinely competes with premium global brands. Suspension is another area where CFMoto made significant improvements. The bike gets fully adjustable kib front forks and a rear monoshock tuned specifically for mixed terrain riding. The suspension feels plush on long-distance travel, yet firm enough to inspire confidence when leaning aggressively into corners. Off-road, it absorbs rocks and ruts without bottoming out easily, making the 1000 Mount suitable for riders who actually want to explore beyond paved roads. Ground clearance has been slightly increased, adding more capability when tackling uneven trails. Braking is handled by J.1 calipers paired with dual 320mm discs up front and a single 260mm disc at the rear. Combined with the cornering ABS system, braking feels sharp, controlled, and stable even under heavy load. The 2026 model's braking performance is noticeably more progressive, offering better feel at the lever, especially during downhill riding or quick emergency stops. Now let's talk design, because CFMoto didn't just upgrade performance here, they refined the entire aesthetic. The new 1000 Mount adopts a sharper, more aggressive adventure touring profile, with sleeker LED headlights, a revised front fairing, and a windscreen redesign for better aerodynamics and reduced turbulence. At highway speeds, buffeting is significantly minimized, making it more comfortable for long rides. The body panels flow more naturally, with a slightly slimmer midsection that improves rider ergonomics and makes it easier to grip the tank while standing on the pegs during off-road riding. CFMoto also provides factory aluminum panniers and a top box option that integrates cleanly with the bike's frame. The crash bars are stronger and more reinforced, and the belly pan is larger and more protective than before. The seat has been redesigned with upgraded foam density, offering better comfort over multi-hour rides, while still being narrow enough to allow flat footing for many riders. One of the biggest advantages of the Mount series has always been value for money, and the 2026 1000 Mount continues that tradition. With an estimated price of around $12,999 to $14,500 depending on the market and trim level, the bike significantly undercuts competitors like the BMW F900 GS, Triumph Tiger 900, and even certain Honda Africa twin variants, while still offering a very competitive feature list. In many markets, CFMoto is positioning this bike as the best-equipped adventure tourer for the price, and they're not wrong. You get premium-level electronics, strong performance, adventure-ready suspension, and a refined design without paying a premium brand price. When it comes to unique selling points, the 2026 1000 Mount stands out in several key areas. First is the technology-to-price ratio, and very few adverb bikes offer this level of electronics and comfort features in this budget. Second is the bike's balance between touring comfort and off-road capability. Some bikes in this class are too road-biased, while others are too rugged for day-to-day use. The 1000 Mount strikes a very usable middle ground. Third is the overall build quality, which CFMoto has continued to improve year after year. The materials, fit, and finish on the 2026 model feel more premium, more solid, and more durable than ever. In real-world riding, the bike shines as a reliable long-distance companion. Fuel economy sits around 28-22 km/L depending on riding style, giving you excellent range with its 19-liter tank. Vibration remains low even after long hours of riding, and wind protection is among the best in the segment. For commuters, the smooth throttle, comfortable seat, and upright ergonomics make daily use easy. For weekend adventurers, the power, suspension, and electronics give you the confidence to go anywhere. Overall, the 2026 CFMoto 1000 Mount proves that the brand is no longer an underdog, it's a legitimate competitor in the global adventure touring market. Whether you're upgrading from a smaller bike or transitioning from another adverb model, the 1000 Mount deserves serious consideration. It brings power, comfort, design, and advanced features into a package that is both accessible and impressively capable. If you're looking for a motorcycle that can tour the world without emptying your wallet, the 1000 Mount is ready to take you wherever you want to go.